Aries, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity, all your way. Bad health is big business. I'm here to put them out of business. Head swelling, PTSD, stroke, anxiety, depression, mental illness, physical ailments at an all-time high, plaguing us at an age of an all-time low. I'm here to heal that with my Fountain of Youth technique. But before that, your word of the day is in God's hands. You landed in the big one's hands. This is the best place that you can be, but I want you to take advantage of this. Allow yourself to, while you're in the hands, be molded. Shed old attributes that don't serve you, anger, resentment. Make sure that you're looking towards the future, looking for what future planning. Ask the right questions. Wisdom, knowledge, and understanding is a great thing to ask for when you have in God's ears and you have when you're in God's hands and you have his ear. Ask for the things that are not normal. Most people would just relax and say, wow, I'll just allow myself to be molded. No, think far and beyond and try to take full advantage of being in the spot that you are right now. Remember how you got here. This loving frequency keeps you in a place of breakthrough and moving forward. My trust in life is implicit. God's greater knowing and greatest love guide my heart and my choices. My faith is steady. I remain true to my light, and everything unfolds according to God's will and his timing. You're in the right place, right time, with the right thoughts, doing the right things. You're not missing any time. You're not losing time, or you're not thinking the wrong things. Like, do not stutter step. Have confidence in moving forward. No matter if you're not moving at the rate you want to be, soon your walk is going to turn to a jog, and a jog to a sprint of breakthroughs. Love one another, be kind to one another, love yourself, and please like, share, comment, and subscribe. This page be a blessing to you. I love you.